And so more and more we are learning through trial and error about the value of sleep. And so as we begin this session, I'd like to utilize this short opportunity to educate you on how important it is to prepare your body in conjunction with your mind to enter that relaxed state, enjoying that slow process of unwinding. And so every evening, afternoon, or if it could even be morning, when you think about laying down on your very comfortable bed, I'd like to encourage you to think about the stages of preparation, the anticipation. That's right. As I invite you to take 4 or 5 deep, slow, comfortable, deliberate breaths. And as you take these breaths, allow the natural process of your body to flow in the most genuine way without pushing or forcing. So if you have an itch that needs to be scratched, if you need to get out of your bed and stretch, a cough that needs to be eliminated, please allow your body to do what it needs to do as you begin a conversation, just like preparing a child for bed. That's right. Anybody who's ever had or been around little people know you just can't put them in bed. And most often that's storytelling that happens right before. It's an opportunity to calm the body down, to anticipate, to relax. With each breath that you take, that conversation that you have with your body, inviting, encouraging, that's right. Good job. You need not force the process. Take your time. Each breath that you take, enjoying the process of flowing down, 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 and you need not even be concerned with the sound of my voice or listening to every word that I say. That subconscious part of your mind will hear and take whatever it needs to flow down deeper and deeper. That's right. Flowing down with the breath, with each breath that you take, inviting yourself in collaboration with your body to become more relaxed now. The sounds around the room do not concern you in the least. You have the ability to utilize your mind and your body to let go completely, even of the need to listen to the exact words that I say. Just letting go, experience a gradual letting go. That's right. Breathing deeply in and out. Good job. Flowing so luxuriously down, and not even being concerned as you experience that synchronicity of your mind and your body. That's right. Enjoying completely. Deeper and deeper now. Letting go. Letting go completely as you relax those shoulders, relax that forehead, relax your thighs, relax completely and experience the waves of relaxation, the calm energy flowing over and through your body. That's right. Good job. Wonderful. You have got this. You may do this anytime you choose. All right. Wonderful. Amazing. And you may remain here for as long as you choose. Just flow down even deeper to the wells of health and wholeness.